Morning everyone. So this morning I did a 5k with my friend Maddie. We went and it's part of Adelaide Fashion Week, so that started now, and they had an event in the Rundle Mall, in Rundle Mall, which I had to get up at 6 a.m. and we went there and basically ran around the city, and it was really fun in the end. It was quite nice. I'm not a big runner, but from time to time. So now at work, and I finish at 6, and then my friend Anusha and I, we're going to this like park hop series. So because Daylight Savings has started, it doesn't get dark until later, till like 8 p.m. So there's going to be like music, finals, food, and just vibes. So after work, I might see if I can take you along with me and Anusha to that event, and then we'll see.
Happy spring!
Cutesy.
Happy spring! What should I write?
Let's have a good night. I don't know. TGIF. I like that. It's good. Put it up. Put it up on the pin board. Ayo. Nice. Hello, everybody. Okay, so I look a bit like a mess right now. Oh, Roku, don't. Oh my gosh. It's okay. He just climbed up into the forbidden cupboard, but that's fine. Okay, I've just worked out, so I look a bit disheveled, but it's a Sunday night, and I'm going away to Japan and Korea in about 20 days, I think. Yeah, about 20 days. So I'm sort of semi-organizing what I want to take with me, because we're going for almost a month. So we need to be really strategic in how we pack, and we're going in, I suppose, the winter time, or going into winter there. So we have to pack heavier clothes, and we'll be doing a lot of shopping and things like that. So we just need to be more mindful of how we do pack, because we don't want the bags to be really heavy before we go. So yeah, I'm just kind of working out what I'm packing, but also I do enjoy watching these videos myself. So, oh, that was just Roku. Sorry about that. But also, I love this mic, can I just say? It's really cute. Anyway, so the first thing I was actually organizing was my Kindle. So I am such a book girl. I prefer to read a book, but Kindles are just so lightweight, so easy. They last so long, and that's just going to get me through all the train rides and all the downtime that we have where I just need to like read something. So I'm actually currently charging that, and I'm probably going to download the new Alchemized book, because I keep hearing about it everywhere. And if I really like the book, then maybe later on I'll actually buy the physical copy, but I'll start with that. So I've got my earplugs, things like that for the plane. I'm going to put that all in one section, and then my passport. So, I'm not sure if I should. I'll just take my Australian one. I'm not going to take my British one right now. Okay, so basically I'm going to place everything down just on this bench here. Pretty much. I find these longer trips so hard to pack for. It's actually insane. Like, I probably worry about this a bit too much. I don't need to worry about it as much as I'm worrying about it, but that's okay. I think I need to go through all my charges as well. I don't even know what I need on this trip. One of my friends wore her Ugg boots for her whole last Korea trip. So I'm very tempted to bring mine and actually just see how that goes. Because also, I don't know how many shoes to bring on this trip. I mean, they're quite cute. They're quite cute. I just don't know if I can walk 1,000 miles in these. Do you know what I mean? Like, do you want to say hi to Roku? Roku, baby. Hi. Oh, I love this cat. Okay, so we have this lovely long khaki sort of green trench coat, which because it's going to be getting cold, I can layer up, but then it's a bit more lightweight. So I'm thinking this could be quite nice. And also because the color is not just a black or a white. So definitely thinking about this one as my long. See, I kind of like this, but I think it's going to be too, it's like quite heavy. So I don't think I'm going to go with this one. It's almost giving like a suede type vibe with that kind of nice woolly looking collar. I don't think that's going to work. I think my Uniqlo one, which I'm obsessed with, is probably going to be a good pick, to be honest, because I feel like this type of thing always looks nice in the snow and, you know, it just kind of stands out, but not in a bad way, if you know what I mean. Like, it's just kind of, it's giving winter, which I think, you know, is the whole point. I'm kind of thinking those two. Do I bring a third? Do I bring a third jacket? Or do I bring my black leather jacket? Because that jacket eats, and I feel like it's then I've got all three types of jackets that I need. Because obviously, like a blazer is nice, but I don't think because look at this, guys. Like, look at this. Hello. I love this jacket. Honestly, like this is probably one of my best purchases from Princess Polly. I've got to say, it's just something about this jacket just does it for me. It's kind of heavy though, but I can wear this on the plane, maybe. See, I think that's a good start. And like, if I had not been doing this with you guys, I would be in strife right now. So thank you. I'm doing a whole clean out tour right now, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, we can work with this. Yeah. They're all in individual hangers right now, these pants. I just don't know what's going on. Okay, I won't do too much more today because I do want to do the final video of the packing without just showing everything right now. And I'll do it in a better way. That isn't just so talk. It's more just like how I pack it all in, like, you know, in the packing cubes and things like that. So I might pull just a few more things out of the cupboards because I was really just getting the jackets out and stuff. But we've got some other bits and pieces here. It is Halloween next week, and I got one of my costume boxes out to try and find something to wear. I am in denial and I'm putting it off because I don't know what to do. I feel like this is a good, you know, top just to wear there, I guess. I don't know. I feel like this blue shirt could be nice in a way, but like, what am I packing for? Like, we're traveling. Yes, it's going to be cold. Let's not pack too fashionista, please. Okay, let's just take a beat. So, we're going to be skiing on this trip only for a couple of days. I bought these the last time I was in Japan because I needed some really good ski goggles. Guys, can I just say, once these bad boys are on, there's no fogging. Like, this is so good. So I'm definitely bringing these, but I think I might end up leaving my full ski suit behind just because space and practicality is, you know. Oh, come on now. Who is this diva? These like underwear, if you know what I mean, like underwear, like what you wear under what you're wearing, you know. That's my university hat in here. Okay, we're just gonna add to this look. Okay, now we are sat on the couch because I'm going to read a few chapters of my book before I go to sleep. What time is it? It's 8:30 now. I'll probably read a bit and then shower, do my skincare. Also, not that many of you are watching at this stage anyway, but apologies for not keeping up and posting each week. There's been a lot happening at the moment that I can't really share yet. and it's a busy time of year. So basically, I'll just see how I go posting every 2 or 3 weeks for now. Obviously, when I go and travel to Japan and Korea, there would definitely be, well, I'm hoping, as long as I film, there would definitely be a vlog or some sort of video for both Japan and Korea. I really want to capture that this time, as the last times I went there, I did get one for Japan when I went last. Not a vlog and not probably as much as I'd like to, but that was also such a long time ago. So I think now I can capture a lot more. And we're going for almost a month anyway. So anyway, before I go, I wanted to share what I'm currently reading with you guys. Any of you bookaholics on here probably have read this, but I am maybe late to the party. I don't know. So I've got Quicksilver here by Callie Hart. It's actually quite funny because when I bought this book, I had a loyalty card for Dylan's, one of the bookshops in Adelaide, and I was up to the one where you get for free. So I had to purchase one more book and then I get one for free. So I was like, what am I going to get? Because this other book that I have my aunt was in that price range that you can get them for free for, because usually it's up to $20 or $25 you can get it, whereas this book is like $35 or something. So I saw this one and I was like, I think I've heard of this. And I just got it on a whim, got the book free, and finally I'm reading it. And so far, so good. I'm actually really liking it. I've just been reading maybe 1 to 2 chapters a night if I get a chance to. You know how it is when you finally get to a good part of the book and you want to read more than 2 chapters a night, and then you're like, oh, I don't have the time for that. It's been really weird weather this weekend in Adelaide. Basically, it was really thunderstormy yesterday and wet and everything. And there was a festival on as well. So I thought that was quite funny because, well, not funny for the people at the festival, because the festival will close for about an hour before they could restart it again, since the weather was quite bad. Today was like such a beautiful day. And then later tonight, it just suddenly started raining again. Now it's really cold and it's the end of October in Australia. So it's just like weird for it not to be, nicer weather just yet. In saying that, though, I am a winter bug. I'm not looking forward to this extreme heat of summer here right now, which is why we're going to Japan and Korea. So, you know what? The best thing about vlogging like this and talking to a camera like this is I hopefully am going to get better at speech in general. It's how I conversate, getting used to my voice, learning to articulate more, and just feel comfortable, because there are so many situations where you need to be comfortable, not just in front of a camera, but in presenting and meeting new people in the workplace, just in day-to-day life as well. I think it's a really handy skill to learn. So by doing this, I think it's just beneficial for anybody. Like, even if this didn't get uploaded to YouTube, I think there's so much benefit in talking out loud, speaking like this, getting used to just how you speak in general. But I'm actually quite enjoying it, weirdly enough. I do like doing this and looking back, and also just getting more comfortable with, watching yourself back on videos. It can be so cringe and so hard. So I think if you can get used to that and actually, do it, then you're probably benefiting from it in some way, as long as you're not too harsh a critic on yourself. But anyway, I'm going to stop yapping now. Have a great night, guys, or day, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one.